wicked. Steve.
Yeah.
What you went to Millwall? What age? 8, right?
Yeah, I was there from under 8s.
So did you get scouted? How did you get scouted?
So I was at Chelsea Development Centre.
Yeah.
And then I was playing for pre-runners. Then this man just brought me to Charlton and Millwall. So after my second training session at Millwall, they just took me before I went to Charlton and Chelsea. It was quick anyway. So
That first session?
Yeah, like second one. It was the second one.
Okay.
So yeah, we just went to that one because it was closer as well.
So how is that? Because you've got a lot of young boys who want to get to an academy. How is it like when you're actually playing for the team? Or what's the feeling?
The feeling is good, but like right now I value how it was. But back then I didn't really value how much it meant to be in the academy. Not to say that academy is everything, but when you're there, you understand like how football is more. You enjoy it more as well when you're playing, and you just improve better. Literally, so you get more game time, you get more playing time. So academy, I would just say is definitely better.
And you got the England call up. How was that?
I was buzzing. I didn't expect it as well.
Did you actually get to play?
No, I just done the training.
Okay, so it was just basically there wasn't no match.
Nah, no matches.
Okay.
Yeah, it was the camp, so that's when the first call up was for the under 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was good. It's fine. I didn't expect it to come. I was just playing, and then it just came one day. Yeah, I had my meeting. I said that I liked it. It's only now that I value all this stuff. At the time, I just thought, okay, just happened.
Did you have a bit of an ego though? You're like, I made it.
Yeah, I thought that I made it. I thought at this time, my 18, I'll be playing for Real Madrid. That's what I thought at the time. I didn't think I had to work super hard because I thought I was naturally gifted. But like I said, now is when I value it.
That's a big lesson to young people out there, man. You might be at the academy, but you have to work even harder. You have to be the best at the academy. Then you have to be the best in the youth team. Then you have to be like the best. Then just to get into the first team squad, you have to, like, it's crazy. It's crazy.
My thing is that which was the best before. They're not the ones that are shining today. It was the ones that wasn't the ones that people were speaking about. It was the least expected. They're the ones that got the professional contracts. The ones that didn't get the scholar early. They're the ones that got scholar early. They're not even the main players today. So yeah, it's about timing.
And like I said, in terms of you, like from what I've heard, at 15 years old, you was one of the best players in the country. Everyone was after you. So, like I said, the journey's not over. The journey's not over. Today is the day we start rebuilding and starting off from scratch, man. So, it's not even me so much about your performance or even the team's performance. It's about you just getting the feeling of loving or playing football again, give yourself a platform, and then let's work to get you out of this club, because I would love to keep your hat in your seat, but that would be me being selfish and doing you a disservice. You don't deserve to be here. You need to be higher up. So let's work, man. Let's work. In a bit.
You're here, one more.
Come on!
Thank you, yes. He's onside. He's onside watch. Oh. Did you get that? Yeah. That was a good one.
Steve, so we spoke before the game, right? We talked about the history of what happened with you. Today you got back out there, just took us through just being back out there playing football 11-a-side.
It just got me reminiscing about the times where I used to play football regularly. Like, I haven't played a match in a long time, so even being in the change room noise, the team tools, it made me feel alive again, because I haven't had that experience in a long time. So it just made me reminisce about the time. Just simple things like walking onto the pitch, assessing the pitch. It's been a long time since that happened, so it brought some joy into me. Like I feel like I can build some momentum from this game right now. You know, build that excitement and the happiness of playing football again.
And to top it off, you came on and scored an absolute blinder. A worldie from what? 35 yards or so. Like, what was going through your mind?
First thing that was going through my mind, if I'm being honest, I just thank God, literally. I said thank you God for this moment, because despite everything, despite the trials and tribulations, all the fails, all the rejections, I was able to come out and just play football and even to top off to score a goal. So I just give it all to him, literally.
I mean, a great goal. But then my only slight with you a little bit was that you had a chance to win it. It was 4 against or 3 against 1 at the end, and you went for glory. What was going through your mind there?
I wanted all the glory, to be honest, but that ain't how it's supposed to be honest. I just wanted all the glory. I thought I could get the goal, but at the same time, it's not the same Steve Gody as before. So it wasn't going to happen. Now I'm thinking about it. I should have just passed the ball, thinking about the team more than myself.
But like I said, the keeper, to be fair to him, made a tremendous save. But like I said, like, well done today. You're part of the team. Like I said, we don't really want you here in a good sense. We want you to go and play where you belong. So we just want to introduce you to the team, get to know the players, get that feeling again to play 11-a-side football, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks, definitely for pre-season, we have you moving up the leagues again, right? Well done, man. Well done.